In the high-stakes world of legal marketing, attorneys often fixate on a single metric, the cost per case. But in today's regulatory climate, that is the wrong question to ask. The most important question, the one that will determine if your firm survives the current crackdown by bar associations and state legislatures, is simply, where does the money go? For years, law firms have paid flat fees to brokers in exchange for signed retainers. It felt like a marketing expense, but regulators in strict jurisdictions, like those enforcing California's SB 37, are now peeling back the layers. They are finding that paying a flat fee for a specific result, a signed client, looks exactly like an illegal referral fee, capping, or an unauthorized fee-splitting arrangement. If you cannot trace every dollar of your marketing budget to a specific operational cost or ad buy, you are walking a regulatory tightrope without a net. This is why Mohr Marketing has completely dismantled the old lead generation model and replaced it with a fully compliant joint advertising ecosystem. We operate by following the money and ensuring it flows into two distinct compliant buckets. This is a legal firewall designed to separate the generation of interest from the processing of the client. When you work with us, you are not writing a check for a lead. You are funding a campaign. We split your budget transparently so that you can see exactly what you are paying for: media inventory and administrative labor. The first bucket is dedicated exclusively to media spend through Mohr Marketing. This is where you purchase the actual advertising space and the technology required to fill it. We utilize advanced tools like our AI web tracker and geofencing capabilities to identify high-intent claimants at the precise moment they need help, whether they are at a hospital, a collision center, or searching online for legal advice. You are paying for the exposure, the data, and the strategy. You are investing in the advertising opportunity just as you would with a television or billboard campaign, but with significantly higher digital precision. The second bucket pays legal support cases for administrative labor. This is a crucial distinction that protects your firm. You are not paying this entity for a referral. You are paying them for the hourly labor, time, and effort required to run a 24/7 intake center. This covers the bilingual intake specialists who screen the calls, the technology used to verify lead data with ideology, and the administrative work of executing retainers and HIPAA forms. By paying for the work performed rather than the person signed, you satisfy the strict requirements that prohibit paying for referrals. Ultimately, this joint advertising structure means you are paying for the inputs, the media, and the labor, rather than buying a client in a way that violates ethics rules. This transparency protects your license and ensures that you are the one in control of your advertising, as required by bar mandates. The days of handing over cash for a signed case are ending. Stop buying leads and risking your reputation. Start investing in compliant media and labor. Contact Mohr Marketing today and let us build a campaign that stands up to scrutiny.